Kingfisher Airlines was once India's most luxurious airline, famous for its style and service. But in just a few years, it crashed spectacularly, leaving behind debts, angry employees, and a ruined brand. Why did this happen? Let's find out.
Kingfisher Airlines was launched in 2005 by liquor tycoon Vijay Mallya. He wanted it to be India's first true premium airline, with in-flight entertainment, gourmet meals, and glamorous cabin crew. It quickly gained a reputation as the Fly the Good Times airline and became extremely popular among business travelers.
But there was a problem. Kingfisher focused too much on luxury while ignoring profitability. The Indian market is price-sensitive. Most people care about cheap tickets, not champagne on flights. Their premium strategy worked only on busy routes. On less busy routes, they lost money on every flight. To grow quickly, Kingfisher took huge bank loans to buy planes. But fuel costs were high. The rupee weakened, and competition from budget airlines squeezed their profits. By 2008, the airline was already in serious financial trouble.
In 2007, Kingfisher bought Air Deccan, a low-cost airline. The idea was to enter the budget market, but it backfired. The merger was chaotic. Branding, service levels, staff unions, and fleet maintenance did not integrate smoothly. Costs went up instead of down.
Kingfisher kept borrowing more money to stay afloat. Banks lent them over 7,000 crore rupees, but management didn't fix the core problems. Instead of cutting costs, they kept spending on luxury branding, VIP lounges, and first-class services that few Indian travelers paid for.
By 2011, Kingfisher stopped paying salaries on time. Employees went on strike, flights got canceled, passengers were angry. Authorities withdrew Kingfisher's flying license in 2012 because it couldn't meet safety and financial requirements. Vijay Mallya was later declared a willful defaulter. He left India in 2016 and faced extradition battles in the UK over fraud and money laundering charges.
Kingfisher Airlines shut down completely in 2012. Over 17,000 crore in debts went unpaid. Banks wrote off huge loans as losses. Employees lost jobs, and Mallya's reputation was destroyed.
Kingfisher's failure teaches us important lessons. Don't overexpand without profits. Luxury doesn't always work in cost-sensitive markets. Control debt carefully. Integrate mergers properly. Treat employees fairly. It's a classic business case of big dreams ruined by poor planning and reckless spending.
So that's why Kingfisher Airlines failed. From Fly the Good Times to a cautionary tale. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more business stories.